Introducing the Sistine Stone DIY Mosaic Shower Kits. Let me quickly show you how that works. You start by going back to the studs so you get a great fit. Then you install our shower pan and connect the drain, attach it to the studs. Let me take you back a second and let me tell you about that shower pan because it's unique. It's a solid pan, completely waterproof. Then we install our leveling material so that it drains perfectly. Then we install the hand set stone and the trim. What a beautiful looking fit. Next, you're going to want to install the cement board. That gives you a watertight, perfect fit. Then you install the beautiful Sistine Stone panels. You start those at the bottom and you work your way all the way around. Then you're going to want to install that hand set tile liner. What a beautiful finish. You finish installing the panels, you install the trim and you caulk it, and wow, what a great look. Of course, that comes in a lot of different finishes. This is our new cement finish. What a hot trend this is. You can customize it if you want by adding your own tile. We'll set it for you. Then of course you add your fixtures and your trim, and wow, pow, what a great look. You can get that in a lot of different finishes. Like I said, this is our natural finish. This one here you'll see has a 3-inch threshold. If you had a special need or special application, you could order that with a 0 threshold for ADA compliance. Makes it really easy for seniors to get in and out. The Sistine Stone shower packages and kits are really versatile. They come in so many different choices. You can have anything you want. The DIY Mosaic shower kits come in 3 standard shapes. They come in a corner, they come in an alcove, and they come in a neo. They also come in 14 standard sizes, so just about every size is already made. We have 4 designer mosaic tiles, and of course you can put in your own custom ones. We have 4 wall and trim colors that are just beautiful. 4 hardware finishes so that the trim matches the fixtures that you choose. And 3 different packages that include the wall and pans or wall pans and glass, wall pans, glass and fixtures, whatever you want. You know, American Bath Factory has been producing products for over 35 years. We manufacture showers, bathtubs, faucets and fixtures, vessel bowls, and lots of different accessories for your bath. We look forward to doing business with you and know that we have what you need.